how to get Safari back to normal on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's open up the Safari and you can see that the search bar is on the bottom. So this might have changed for you after the new iOS update, which many people find it inconvenient. However, the intended benefit of the new layout is for easier tab navigation. But since many people find it inconvenient to change it, you'll need to go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down and tap on apps. Now on the search bar, search for Safari and then scroll down and you'll find the tabs option. So you can see that landscape tab bar is toggle on, website tinting is toggle on. You can just toggle it off and then change the tab to single tab. And now come back and go check your Safari again. And there you go. Your Safari is back to the old layout. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.